Amy here with Little Bitty Noggins, and today we are going to make this super cute little miniature octo. And this project is very quick. It works up very fast. For this project, you will need some worsted weight yarn. I am using the Caron Blossom Cakes in the shade Caribbean Sea. This is pretty multi-tonal blue color. You will need an F 3.75 millimeter crochet hook, a pair of scissors, a yarn needle, and 6 millimeter safety eyes. So the stitches that we are going to be using in this project are single crochets, single crochet decreases and increases, and half double crochets, chain stitches, and slip stitches. If you need help with any of those stitches, please reference my 6 basic crochet stitches playlist. It is on my YouTube page, right where this one is. So please check that out if you need some extra assistance in how to do those stitches. So jumping right in, let's move some stuff out of the way here. We are going to take the end of our yarn and we are going to make a magic ring. So I make my magic rings a little bit different than other people. So I just wrap it. So I take the tails here, grab it with my thumb, wrap it around my fingers, take the working end, tuck it up and under, just like that. So you've got a loop there. And then I take my hook and place it in that loop. Release those things, like remove fingers, take your working yarn and make a chain to lock it in. And then we are going to make one more chain, so we are going to be able to start our single crochets. We are going to do 8 single crochet in this loop here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are your 8 single crochet stitches. Now we are going to take the tail of our magic ring and we are going to pull it nice and tight. And we are going to start working on the next round. So we are not going to be joining and chaining one. This is done in continuous rounds. So we are going to go immediately into that first single crochet from the first round and we are going to make 2 single crochet inside of it. So this is a single crochet increase and we are going to do that all the way around. So here's number 3 and number 4, number 5 and number 6, number 7 and number 8, number 9 and number 10, number 11, number 12, number 13, and number 14. Woo! Throwing my hook around and loosen up some more yarn here, and then 2 more for number 15 and number 16. So that is round 2. So what we're going to want to do next is we're going to want to just pull that a little bit tighter so it tightens up that center loop right there. Just grab that tail and pull a little tight. The next 4 rounds are going to be 16 single crochet. So that is in total 64 single crochet in a row, just continuous rounds around. So if you can do 64 single crochet next, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 64. So for the next round, what we are going to do is we are going to be placing multiple stitches into other stitches. So for this first stitch here, we are going to do a single crochet, a half double crochet, and another single crochet, all inside of the same stitch. So here is the first single crochet. Here is the half double. And to do a half double, just to jump in real quick, what you're going to do is you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, and also these are in the front loop only. Sorry guys. So front loop only. I'm going to back up. I was doing it in the front loop only, but spaced out. So in the front loop only, we are going to do a single crochet, a half double crochet, and then another single crochet. So single crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through all 3, single crochet again, and then in the next stitch here we are going to do a slip stitch. Then in the next one we're going to do a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a single crochet. And in the next one we are going to do a slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, all into the same stitch, into the next a slip stitch, which is an insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the 2 that are on there. Next one is single crochet, half double crochet, single crochet. Next one is a slip stitch. Next one is a single crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch in the next, single crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, single crochet, slip stitch, single crochet, half double crochet, and single crochet. And into the next one we are going to slip stitch again. And with that we are going to chain up 1 and pull our loop out, because we are going to place our eyes now. So in order to place our eyes, we are going to look at our little guy here, and I like the area right here. So that is between 1, 2, 3, rows 4 and 5. So for this, we are going to use 2 6mm safety eyes, and we are going to place them between rows 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, rows 4 and 5. And we are going to grab a second safety eye here, and we are going to put about 1, 2, 3, we'll see, 3 stitches between. 3 stitches between, that's super cute. We are going to flip our guy inside out, and here you can see those back loops that we didn't work into. They are going to be our decrease round to close up our Octo Buddy. So we're going to stick the safety eye backings on nice and secure, just like that. Flip this back right side out. And what we are going to do now is we are going to get our hook, pick up the loop that we were working with, after I tuck this tail in there nice and securely. Grab up that loop real quick. And what we are going to do is we are going to work into those back loops that we didn't work into previously. So we are going to do a single crochet decrease. So we are going to pick up that first loop, yarn over, and pull up a loop, go into the second loop, yarn over, and pull up another loop. So we have 3 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. So we're going to do that again. So insert our hook into that first back loop, yarn over and pull up a loop, do it again, yarn over and pull through all 3. We are going to do this a total of 8 times, so that was 2. Here is 3. Here is 4. Here is 5. Come on. Here is 6. Here is number 7. And we got one more on there. Here is number 8. So there are your 8 single crochet decreases. And now what we're going to do is we are going to insert our hook into that first decrease. We are going to yarn over and pull through both, creating a slip stitch. We're going to chain up, and then we are going to cut our yarn. Oop. And we're going to pull that chain loop right there nice and tight. And we are going to add some stuffing to our little fella here. So the opening is big enough for a small amount of stuffing to go in. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to stick some stuffing down in there, like so. And then we're going to situate our eyes so they don't look wonky or crazy or weird. And then we're going to close it up. So in order to do that, we're going to take our yarn needle or darning needle or whatever you want to call it, and we are going to thread that tail of yarn that we had. And what we're going to do is we are going to find the loop directly across from where we finished, and we are going to insert our hook or our needle into there. Then we are going to turn our work. We are going to find the spot that is directly next to that and go across. We're going to turn this again. We're going to find that spot that's right there, and it's going to be this one. And then we're going to do the same thing one more time. So basically we're creating a web. If you look, you can see the lines. And then when we pull this tight, it cinches this up so it is closed. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our yarn needle and we are just going to kind of insert it into a couple random spots on the bottom, pull up a loop, put our yarn needle through there and pull it tight, creating a knot. And then we're going to take our yarn needle and we're just going to shove it directly through, and then we're going to do it again. So we're going to find a good spot to go in and pull it all the way through. So this is basically securing our tail inside of our creature so it will not come out. We cut our yarn, and there you have it, friends. We've got another little Octo friend here. So that is that. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. All of the items that I used in this video will be in my description. And yeah, so if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I try to get to every question that I possibly can, and I try to reply to most comments. And I appreciate everybody watching this video. Thank you guys so much. If you haven't yet, please subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and like, comment, share with your friends who would like to learn how to crochet. Every little bit of interaction helps, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Have a great day, friends. Bye!